So today we are cleaning some carpets, and you can see here I have the hoss out and I've already cleaned this room. Give you a quick little tour of what we're doing. Just clean up some office areas. Get ready. They're getting ready to remodel and put up some new stuff. Rachel's in here. She just did that little closet. She's doing the edge. And then we have this area. Some tools. Our filter box. That's filtering all the dirt out of the dirt in here. And then our truck mount. So there's our truck mount. And what that is, you can see all the steam coming out of there. That little box there, all it does in the winter is it makes sure that we're reaching 240 degrees even though it's 27 degrees outside. So it's just maintaining that heat for us, because the machine makes a lot of hot water anyways, but that's just maintaining that temperature no matter what, how much water we use, whatever. So hope you guys are all having a great day, and hope you're doing something fun. But yeah, we're out cleaning carpet. We're using the hoss. A lot of you haven't seen that tool, but it makes 700 passes a minute on the carpet getting it clean, whereas the wand, we typically just use the wand for lightly soled carpet and for like doing the edges and corners, because this is round, so it doesn't get in the corners. So that's what Rachel's doing, is prepping that room for me. But yeah, so I hope you guys all having a good one, and hope you're staying warm. But again, you know, if you guys ever need us, just give us a call. And we've been getting a lot of water damage calls, so I greatly appreciate everybody that's been giving us a call about those. Flooded basements. We did one the other day that's just about done now. 2 days. Equipment was there for 2 days so far. But the tenant upstairs had a leak, and it leaked through her floor, through the ceiling, through the floor, and then into the basement. So actually had 2 levels that were damaged, water damage. And we use our new machine. It's called E-Test, and that actually heats up the area, heats up it heats up the area, because the warmer something is, the greater the vapor pressure, which is essentially a fancy word for saying that moisture wants to get out of that material and get into the air. And then we have a dehumidifier, a large dehumidifier set up for that. And we actually dried the second floor from top and bottom. So we dried from the ground floor up and the top floor down. And the basement, same thing. Dried from the middle floor and then from the basement. So we get those 2 floors really dry. So, yeah. But again, if you guys need us, give us a call, 814-547-1848. If you guys haven't used us and you want to find out more information, go to whencleancounts.com. There's pictures and videos and reviews from customers all over the place there. So thanks for watching, and we shall see you soon.